welcome to today's video. I am so excited about it. Okay, so I'm obviously here in my dining room, and as you can see, it's pretty boring. I keep it pretty basic. I also keep it nice neutral colors because I do a lot of different tablescapes for you guys in here, and I don't want to lock myself into one color. But if you follow me over on Instagram, you know that I got a wild hair, and I decided that we're gonna make an accent wall on this main wall right here. So today we're gonna do a little refresh of this entire dining room and just spruce it up a little bit, do an accent wall. We have some new curtains, some new decor that we're gonna be doing in here. And I thought you guys might think it was fun to follow along and see how it turns out. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Definitely like the video, and let's get started. Oh my, I'm definitely gonna need the big guns to come help me move this. I have a lot of china in here. I don't want to have to empty it all out. We need Jason's muscles. Oh my gosh, I can't even move it to get to the plug-in for the lamp. Crazy. Oh yeah, who's strong now? I have something so fun we're gonna do with this. So, in my opinion, this is very 2000. Yeah, it's definitely outdated. I don't like these anymore either. But this thing was expensive, so I have a cool idea. We're gonna make this over and kind of match our decor that we're gonna do in here. And I have the best find. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you what I found in my own yard. So, stay tuned for that. A lot of times nowadays, I don't tape off, but I'm about to do black over white. Definitely tape it off. Makes me nervous. Okay, I am gonna do the trim work, and then I'm gonna have Jason come paint the wall. He's better at it, like with the roller, but I'm definitely pulling my hair up because I will get black paint in my hair. It is a given. All right, let's do this. For those of you that follow me over on Instagram, I put on a poll to see which color black we were going to use for this wall, and I was struggling back and forth between the two, and I went with Wrought Iron by Benjamin Moore. So I hope I don't regret this. But here goes nothing. I don't know why this makes me nervous. So this looks like a super, super, super dark gray. Oh boy, here we go. Not about to mess up my wall. I'm not feeling scared now. Okay, I got the big guy here with me now. Moment of truth. He's putting it on the wall. Ooh, I'm nervous.
You better be sure, because this doesn't look like it's wiping off.
I got my little handy volunteer here helping me get my curtain rod ready. And I'm trying to get enough lighting for you guys to be able to see, but obviously every time I go straight to the window, it makes the room dark. Drives me crazy. All right, Jason is doing coat number 2. Almost could get away with not even doing a coat number 2, but there was just a tiny little bit of stuff when you're up close. But oh my goodness, I love the sheen of this. It's drying so nice. What do you think, Jay?
I like it.
Good. All right, so while he's doing this and doing this second coat, I'm gonna get the new curtains hung up. All right, Jason has so graciously volunteered to hang a new chandelier for me. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be black. I felt like we needed more black items in the room. And I actually have a place that I'm gonna put this chandelier, and I already had this black one, so it didn't cost me anything. As you can tell by the lighting, it is late, but I'm going to work on steaming these curtains so I can finish the rest of this up in the morning. Okay, huge shout out to Dennis for helping us get the light to work. I have to go get 2 more light bulbs because this one has more than the other one did. But in the meantime, before I do that, let's get this dining room fixed back up and decorated. I'm ready to be done. Oh my goodness, I hope these are gonna be level. Oh, not too shabby. I got it pretty close. Okay, I had Jason drag this out to our totally messy garage, and I am gonna spray paint this a hammered black, and then I have a really cool thing. I'm gonna just wrap some jute around it. And so let's get this done really quick. Oh my goodness, here I am again, always spray painting in my white tennis shoes. These are new, I might take these off. I don't want to get anything on. These are actual new ones. Holy manoli. This is when I need Jason. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay. I like it. Huge shout out to my neighbors Dave and Sharon for letting me fill the grass. We're gonna take this and we're gonna chop some of it down and we're gonna hairspray it and we're gonna put it in that black face that we just made. Ooh. I think I like that one. I like that one too. Okay, last minute idea. I think I'm gonna put this around that like that, just to kind of break up this black. You might not really notice it in the camera, but in here to me, it feels like it needs something. So, oh yeah, I like that better. I don't know why, but I think that looks so much better just having something break up all that black. I'm just trying to reuse things that I have because I don't want to spend a bunch of money in here. And so I'm just using things that I already have for now. And then we'll decide later what we're gonna do. But, oh, this room is a mood. Thanks so much for watching, guys.